everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So today's video, we are going to do a Russian tea cake cookie. So Christmas cookies, my mom's a baker by trade. My family growing up had a huge sort of cookie making time at Christmas. So we did Christmas cookies. A lot of the women in the family would gather together and we would make so many cookies, enough to fill a pool table full. And then we would those were gifts that we'd give to like teachers and the postman and that kind of stuff. So we always did that. So Christmas cookies are kind of a strong tradition for us. And growing up, most of the cookies that my mom made came out of this book, this Betty Crocker cookie book. I think she got it like for her wedding or something way back when. So this is my copy of this. So you guys know that for AIP to be successful for me, I've just sort of renovated the recipes that I loved before I was AIP. And that's helped me be able to maintain the AIP elimination phase for a couple of years, which I've needed to do for my health. So when I look for cookie recipes for this site, I often look at this book first and go, okay, what did I have? So my peanut butter cookie is an AIP renovation from a cookie in this book. My chocolate chip, same thing. So this is, show you, this is the one, this little white one here. This Russian tea cake is the one that I wanted to reno for today. And the original recipe has flour and it's got like ground up nuts in it. If you've never had these. So it's meant to be really crumbly, it's like a little ball, and then it's rolled in powdered sugar. So our version today is rolled in coconut sugar. You can use maple sugar if you want to make it coconut, if you don't want to use the coconut. And then it uses tiger nut flour, which has the same texture as a really finely ground up nut. So those are kind of some of the big swaps in that. We're using cassava flour instead of regular flour. So you'll see the renovation. I hope that you like this as much as we do. It turned out better than I expected. I wasn't sure this would work at all, but it did. And this is a cookie that I'll make again. So I'll give you a little taste test at the end. Without much more chatter, let's get baking. with our cookies. I'll show you sort of what they look like. Now, you don't get the pretty white sugar because it's not regular sugar. Powdered coconut sugar or maple sugar, I literally just put it in my blender, like maybe a cup of it, put it in the blender and blend it up until it's fine powder. Just be really careful if you put too much in, it can get really hot and harden, which is hard to get out of your blender. But so I'll give you a try this. It's good. I'll be honest, I made these like 3 days ago, so this is a few days out. It's good. It's sweet but not super sweet, which I like. If you want it to be a little sweeter, you could roll it in the sugar 3 times instead of twice. Maple sugar would make it a little bit sweeter than the coconut sugar does. I like that. Really, really good. Almost like, other than the powdered sugar aspect of it, almost exactly the same as I remember growing up the first day. So, and then as the days go on, so this is the 3rd day, give or take, it gets a little drier each day. Still really tasty today, but it is a little bit more crumbly than it was on day 1 and 2. So have those, give it a try, see if you like them. I hope you like it as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video.